God has already blessed you, but the only thing is God has to bless us also to understand what you are telling.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for joining today's session. Actually, it is a 3 years ago during our BNI meeting, or 2 years ago, I was explaining the Park Hayat once, and also explained in the Marigold how to use benefit, how to get a benefit from the WhatsApp. Now, recently upgraded to the WhatsApp for the business. Some of friends regularly asking me how to use WhatsApp for the business. Then instead of explaining one-to-one, I want to make a small video. Then by explaining to some of my close friends here, I'm going to explain directly on my mobile. This is my mobile. Everything you can able to see my mobile screen, right? You can able to see my mobile screen.
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Then this is my home screen on my mobile. Okay. We have the WhatsApp for every general and WhatsApp for the business, WA for business. You can see icon also both are changed. Regular WhatsApp, I don't want to explain. It's a lot of people are using. They are experts. Young generation is more expert than what we are now. So before opening all the information, I'm going to again. 14. See, I put everything folder. This is a blank.
But I think we should mute everybody, sir. There's a lot of disturbance. Please mute everybody.
Yeah, please. Okay, right. WhatsApp business. Once you download WhatsApp business from Google Play Store, then install. Once you install it as a mobile number, can give the same mobile number which you are using already in the WhatsApp. All the data will be transferred to the WhatsApp business. It will ask, can you transfer? If required, put everything transfer. It takes 1 hour to 2 hours sometimes based on your internet speed. Then one more thing, precaution, before you do that, should take backup. Total backup will transfer to the business app. Once it is a start, has come to the business, this is like a blank WhatsApp for the business. Your data, everything transferred. What? Instead of getting disturbance, I'll stop all the data. No messages will come now. If there is no net, it's not connecting. Okay. I thought I stopped the net, but it's not connecting now. Okay. I am synchronizing screen, my mobile screen to laptop screen. Okay. Now go to the, please carefully listen. Go to this 3 dots here, right side top. Go for the settings first. Don't do anything. Setting first. The settings, you see you can business setting. Now this is already setting with my company name. First, business tools. Please check if you have the WhatsApp, try. Check the business tools. You have the business tools here. The business tools is the business profile. Open the business profile. Open the business profile. Give your company name. What is your services? What are your products and services? And give your company name in this edit button. Give your company name. And give your home address. It asks the location. Give the location of your office. and you can give the professional services. Then it will ask, what is your timings, office or shop or product, what are the services. I give open 24 hours. You have the option for the every day. Monday how many hours you work, Tuesday how many hours work, everything. You the hour button, then change your timing if you want. Then give the website and give your email, website. If whatever, if you use the more YouTube, give the YouTube. For the WhatsApp, Facebook, give the Facebook. LinkedIn, or give the LinkedIn. Give the link here. Then whatever the data you give, it will be here. This is the setting of business profile. Then catalog. It is where this catalog is launched during lockdown period. It is launched a few months ago to share our catalog. In the catalog, click on the catalog. This is already my catalog there for your mobile, nothing is there. Click here. You can get an add button here. In the catalog, you will have the add button. If you click on the add button, you can have the option of 10 photographs. 10 photographs. Put a one photograph. First, you can prepare the presentation on your product using only 10 slides. The slides convert into the images, or you can go to the Photoshop, CorelDRAW, create some nice images, 10 images, or whatever you need. First, it can take only 10 images. Put a image, write in the down what is the image. For example, I put one image, I put a astrological services. I put an image, I can put a numerology. I can put an image, I can put a gemology service. The way each image you can put a caption. The way you can put a 10. See here, I put a 10 images, put only caption, I gave the Vastu services. All images I put here. 10 images. It takes maximum 10. You can, every 1 month you can change, or every time you get a new product, new services, create a image and post here. Need not go to some expert and designer to create a image. You can create an image very nicely from the PowerPoint. Prepare your PowerPoint presentation, save as the images. You can create image. That image you can put as a promotion. Okay. Now catalog is finished. Once it is finished, you can have one button. If you click that button, once again I'll show you have one pin button. Click here, attach button. You have this link, copy or share. If you want to share, click here. It will open. You want to share anything like any media. You want to share direct to the Instagram or Instagram. I have mail, email. You want to put a LinkedIn. You want to put a Facebook. Whatever you have, the media where you can attach your mail or link, you can attach. Then that you can put into the any social service, social media apps or mails. Then that goes to your, for example, I open this business for just I opened here. I'm going to share with my catalog with Capital Business Promotion Group. And I'll put a Jagruti friendly group. What are some other group? I put a Shabari Yatra group. I can put a 5. Now I cannot click not more than 5. I can put friends. Yeah, so many things I can do it. Now, then share. It will show nicely link above and what is going to display. Again, I'm explaining. First slide should be impressive. That display always. Give your company logo or give you something. This is my logo. My face is my logo for my business. I always use my photograph. Thanks to Ravi Verma, he helped in the getting nice photograph. I use my photograph. Though I put a first slide with my photograph, then send it. So these 5 people received. Also, I can show how it can be displayed for others. Then I will go to the, you understand how it will be displayed to others. I will go to the business. I am also part of business promotion group. I open this one. I'll go down. I'll click it. Yes. Then you can see the all photos you can see. If you please, if you have the business WhatsApp for the business, you can display very nicely. Okay, you don't have this. How it can display? I'll show taking one example. Again, I'll go to the settings, business tools, catalogs. I'll take the copy link. I'll copy the link. I want to share one number. Just there is no business WhatsApp for business for the number. This number I want to share this number. This very simple link. I said this. If somebody opens, he doesn't have WhatsApp for business, how it looks like. I'll show in my mobile and how it looks like. Just I open WhatsApp. There's no business app here. It looks same way, but it opens. It will not display too much photographs. Then you can able to see completely about the person. Then double click. Then when you click here, you will get all, the person will get all the information. When you do the message, he will get the information when you open. That message has gone to this person already. The way you can use your client can be open, see your profile as well as your catalog. See. See, that is a catalog. Again, I am going to more options, settings, business tools. Again, business tools. You understand catalog. Then away message. Always you put on this one. Type whatever you want here. You can type your complete message about you, giving your introduction and giving your mail ID, or you can give your digital business card link, or you can give to the WhatsApp number link. Then save. You always you send or custom schedule or outside business hours. See, this you can click. Always send. Whenever you get a message from someone, he receives immediately messages. Or outside business hours. You already fixed your business hours morning 9 to evening 6, afternoon evening 6. Then your after business hours, you will receive the message that you are busy. You will contact him tomorrow during business hours. The way you will get the message. This is the away message. You can put a schedule. You can have a recipient. Sometimes you want to put some people, especially you can put them. Or you want to skip some people. Everyone except some people, click here, you will get all the address book. Then you can put a click there, it will not go to them. Don't send this. Sometimes you don't send some people the messages, particular that away message, you can click them, it will not go to them, others it will go. Then,
What groups?
I'm sorry?
What about groups? Will it go to group message also in the group if I get a
No,
message?
it will not. This no message
Away
will go.
message is something that if someone sends us the message and we are not, it is an automatic reply sort of thing, auto reply sort of thing.
Like it was there in 20 years before Outlook. It was there in the Outlook in the 20 years before that. If you send a message, they will get, I'm out of office, I'm I'm on leave, I'm on vacation. So the way WhatsApp will do for you. Then greeting messages. As soon as you receive any message, immediately they receive the greeting message. You can put here whatever you want to greet when you get a message. Thanks for contacting Iramne Institute of Vast Sciences. Please let us know how we can help you. Whatever this is, you need not create. That will create from your company name, using your company name. So here, what is the advantage? Your regular clients send a regular messages. They won't get a greeting message if the person is connecting you regularly. Only the person sending you message after 14 days. No activity since 14 days. Suddenly send, hi, Benny. Then you will get a message that thanks for contacting. So whatever you write, you will get the message. That is the greeting messages. Then you go to the quick replies. This also you can put some message here. It will give the quick reply. Now we can have an option. Put something. I put a 3. For example, you have the mobile. You got a one mobile during your office meeting. You got a one call. Suddenly you prepared message that you can send a message. I'll call you later. Call me back after 30 minutes. I'm busy. I'm driving. The way you can create here. Then somebody put a message. Just you can put a 3. I put a 3 purpose. I lucky number 3. I put a 3. If I put a 3 in my screen, that he gets a message that thank you for your business. We look forward to you working with you again. Something, whatever you type here, that will go to them. Then short link. Usually, you need to put a short link in your Facebook, interrelated social media. Then whenever they send a message, whenever they click, they need not save your number for sending messages. If you send this click to your client, for you need any information on WhatsApp, if you send this link to share this link to your client or your friend, if you click that one, immediately you get a message. If you click just like that, also you will get a message. The person using the WhatsApp. That is a short link. I'll show another one. Then business tools done, and account that is very common for everyone.
Sir, just a minute before we proceed, I have a question here. Can I ask it now or park it later?
Please go ahead.
Now, like in regular WhatsApp, we cannot, our group size has to be between 200 members. Is there a limitation?
256.
In business also, that is the limitation?
Limitation. Because WhatsApp, next year they may enhance because of this COVID and putting more messages. That is only the reason they restricted to 256.
In business, it is applicable.
Can you repeat a question?
In the business account also, it is applicable?
Yes, applicable. Business account also applicable, only 256.
And this is free, right?
And this is free. See,
okay, thank you.
But even business, there is a 2. Broadcasting also 256. Regular group also 256. But you cannot forward message into the broadcasting. You can share and forward, both are different. Sharing the messages, forwarding messages, both are different. If you have a question, I can explain. Okay. Then
I'm good to go, sir. No problem.
No
Got
problem.
it.
See the charts, you know that you need to do all these things, visibility. When you are in a group, put the visibility there. You don't download the videos and photos, it will not download. You need to update on the visibility here and notifications, data storage, and invite contact. This you can invite your friends, share this one. They come to know that you are using the business WhatsApp for the business, then they will save your number into their mobile. That what you can do is the invite. Then
Okay, one more question I have.
please.
Now here in WhatsApp, there are two accounts, right? One icon is for the personal WhatsApp, the other one is for business WhatsApp.
Right.
But the number used is the same.
Right. No,
Now
no,
when
no. Please, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
so no, do I have to have the same number? I should have two numbers.
Personal WhatsApp, you cannot say one number, two WhatsApp, same mobile you cannot use.
I did not get it, sir.
Regular WhatsApp, business WhatsApp cannot be used same number.
Ah, right. So we should have dual SIM card phone, and we should have two.
Not necessary dual SIM card. Okay, you can give other number. You need not have the SIM in the same mobile. For example, your son has a one number. He
Yes.
is not using WhatsApp. You can use his number and upload. You can use WhatsApp on your mobile. Give his number. Initially, it will give the 4-digit code. That code you can enter here. In the future, you need not use. You don't worry about that number.
Okay, that is important tip, sir.
Yeah, one more thing I can give big tip. You can use a mobile landline number. If you have the personal one, use a landline number. What happened? When you install WhatsApp, give your landline number with a STD code. Then you need a passcode to install. You get a phone call immediately. Sit close to your landline number. You get a phone call. Receive the call. Enter the code into your mobile WhatsApp. Then once you enter, that's enough. Then you don't get a disturbance. Actually, it is a very good option. People use a lot of people landline number in the WhatsApp. They seeing the WhatsApp number, they try to call. You don't worry about that. Only for messages only. Then they would put message there. Okay.
Thank you,
Sir, you mean to say that this mobile number cannot have a business WhatsApp?
There is options are there. You can put option messages only.
Okay.
Regular WhatsApp also go and check that is the messages only. Your status you can put a messages only. Then they understand. They won't call that number. Okay.
That means we should have two numbers net. That is always required. One for business and one for personal.
One more thing. Next month, maybe July, WhatsApp is coming option with the 4. What I mean say 4 devices you can use it in single number. You have the tab, you have the laptop, you have the mobile, you have some other mobile. Only one single number you can parallelly can use 4 WhatsApps using single number, 4 devices. That is updating maybe next month or following month. Okay.
So anyhow, now we are using it in 2 or 3 devices, sir.
Yeah, we are using with the WhatsApp web.
Application, WhatsApp application on laptop and.
That we are using web application. I know that. That is a WhatsApp on web.
Not in the browser, sir. We have a application for desktop.
I know. That now you can use it too. There is a application. I also use the same. Use the same.
Right.
The icon is there in the laptop screen. We can use like a mobile, but I am displaying my mobile as it is in the screen to understand well. Okay. Now,
how did you do that?
That is a different story. Okay.
No, that is also important, na?
Okay. This is for the presentations. No, I am going to give a very good feature.
I have a doubt.
Please.
Aditya bhai, correct bola na?
I have a doubt. If you advertise in, for example, in Just Dial, and if a person calls from Just Dial, we don't have that person's number registered in our phone. How do you send? We have to register the number
I'm sorry.
For example, if your number is stored with me, I can
Hmm.
send a message directly to you. But
Right.
imagine somebody from Just Dial calls up. I don't have that number stored with me. Then
Okay.
how can I send that? Do I
No,
have to
you-
register that number? That means store the number and
no. What happened? There is a link is there. That just I'll explain. Even Somani used that. Somani, you know, no, right? WhatsApp me /C/phone number. Okay, I'll show 1 minute. Huh? You can see this link. Can you? Okay, I'll show this link. Can you see this link, Benny?
yes, yes, sir.
WA means WhatsApp.me/C/number, right? Then don't put a C. Remove the slash and C, and put whatever number you want to send. That they will receive the message. This is C for catalog. There is no catalog. No, I'll write here. You understand? I tried. Okay. I'll remove the C. Yes. You got it? Something different?
Yes, sir.
What to whomever you want to send a message, you need not save this number. That WhatsApp, those things you can put their number that directly goes to message. Or
Okay.
take the way you can make it your number, and keep save and send to the message to them. Send message to them. When they click this one, it will directly go to the WhatsApp. This when you put a C catalog, when you put simple leave it, directly goes to the person on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Okay. sir.
Now I'll explain one more thing here. Just 1 minute. I want to put a box. One more thing, very interesting thing, labels. Very, very important. How many people knows the labels? May I know? Subodh, you are using label?
No, sir, I'm not using a business account. I'm not using it.
Okay. Anybody using label? No. So labels are very, very important for the business people. Very seriously. Why important? Say I prepared. There is open the label. You have the new customer. For example, somebody called you. Save on his number. Select and put as a new customer. Okay. I'll explain what I did. I'm working on Vastu classes for the Telugu. Whoever is paid my fee for the Vastu, I selected their names, put them into this group. Put them into this group. Only I can see only these people. No one can see in my WhatsApp screen. Another thing, I have the BNI account, and BNI has a 5 groups. BNI 5. I am in the member in the 5 groups. So I get hundreds of messages daily. I need to search where is the BNI promotion, where is the BNI fund. I don't do that. I'll go to the label. Then already I labeled BNI group. All BNI groups are there here. Okay. Similarly, I have the broadcasting. I have the broadcasting groups. My own broadcasting groups are there. I forgot sometimes I miss while sending. I'll open this. Only my broadcasting 67 broadcasting groups will come. Each group having 256 people into 67 groups. I send a message. When you receive any message from me personally, that goes to 67 into 256. Similarly, okay, pending payment. For example, I'll take a year. I'll take Okay, Sumant. Okay, I'll take a Sumant. I'll explain what to do. Sumant take my services. He need to pay money. He didn't pay. I don't want to remind him, but I need to keep in my mind. Select Sumant and go to here. This you can see now. Can you see here?
Yes, yes.
This is the label. Click that label. You will have a group. You need to create this all. I put a new label. What I put to be paid. To be paid. That save. Now you can see Sumant, some color is there. You can see some blue color. Means whenever I see the blue color, oh, Sumant has to pay money, I get remember. Otherwise, if I forgot, I go to the here, dots, labels, where is the pending payment? To be paid, to be paid, to be answered. Where is the to be paid? To be paid. When I click, nothing I can see, only Sumant I can see. If I put 10 people details and only 10 members, I can put a message, you ought to pay my amount. Sometimes, lot of inquiries comes to me. What I do? To be answered. Only 4 people I supposed to answer. These are the 4 people inquired about services. Due to the busy, I didn't do. Immediately I put a label, I leave it. Before I sleep, I check the label, how many people supposed to be answered. Then I got only 4 people. Whatever way you can create. The colors also, what you feel. For example, BNI group is there. I go to this color. I don't like this color. I'll go to this way. I want to choose my color BNI. I'll put a red color. Now BNI group come to the red color. By mistake, one group has come here. This is not a BNI. It has come. So I need to remove. You can remove this. Thus will go out. Only 4 groups in the BNI. Official, social, and my power team group. If you have 6 groups, 7 groups, you can make like this. Then my institute is there. Are the 15 groups in my institute. These are the groups I run for my institute students. Different way. Architects, interior designers, separate group, numerology separate, gemology separate, Telugu people separate. Then only I can see this many groups. Then when I want to do message, I can put patapat within seconds. I can do that.
Sir, in these label groups, can we have broadcast lists also? We can add broadcast list into these groups?
Yes, you can put like, no, you cannot. Broadcasting, you need to put separate.
Broadcast, yeah, if I have broadcast list.
Broadcast group or list?
List.
List you can put only broadcast.
Okay, we cannot label them, right?
No, label you can see, I can label. Yes. See, for example, you see some surprise broadcasting groups for me. I'll show how I do that. Because when I'm sending the messages, I'll do the clients, very old clients. I put this color. I put this color. If you click here, my old clients, you can see how many people are my old clients. 172 people are there. They are the 10 years old clients. Why I put a 10 years old client separate? When I need anything, referrals, I put a message to everybody, see that they refer me. Then Vastu friends, already Vastu consultants in my group. I put a separate this color and I click, then only the Vastu consultant. How many people? 237 people are there, Vastu consultant throughout across India.
Right. So in other words, the resellers and the business partners sort of thing we can do.
Yes,
and we can categorize them, and accordingly we can share the relevant information to those category.
Exactly. That go to the personalized message. See why the people are not interested in the group messages. Like a spamming. They put one by one person. See, I no don't take otherwise. If you put one message, there is a trailing of 20 messages. Pata. Then we miss real message from our members. We can appreciate them personally. not necessary show up in the group. You can say comment personally, not necessary. So that is a sum up. If you put the personal broadcasting, only the person reaches, he feels that he is getting personal message, then he reply and you get only you, not necessary everybody receives.
Sir, one doubt, sir. You mean to say that we are not making broadcasting group, but if we add all those people we know into a separate label, and if we send them message, they will receive individual messages, but it will not be a broadcast group.
No, it is a broadcast. Why the label? Further, your proper use, your convenience. Labels are your convenience. For example, I again explain. This is a July 3rd. My Vastu class is there. What I did, whoever the paid amount, I put it. So, for example, who is this? Okay, I'll show some.
Sir,
we cannot send a single message to the label, no, sir. We have to select people individually.
Yes, no single. Label only for our understanding, not like a group. Labels are not a groups. There is a segregated by ourselves, our convenience, the way working. I explain now how many people has to pay you, how many people need to talk, how many people you need to respond to, whom to respond. Put a selected. Whatever way you can get a message, you can convert into their way convenience. That labels are perfectly used. Once you start using, you understand very well about labels.
Sir, one more very important feature, Srikanth here, sir. One more very important feature in the business WhatsApp group, which I keep using very frequently. I also use WhatsApp business very frequently, sir. One feature I think will benefit the friends here.
A star message, star?
No, sir. This is auto replies. Okay, yeah. In the auto reply space only, there is something where you can do frequently used messages. Okay, if you are saying something very frequently. Okay, for example, if I have to ask, if somebody asks me one of my products, say my popular product is the filter. Right. Can you give me the features of the filter? Right. In the WhatsApp group, somebody asks me. Okay. Right. Right. Now every time I cannot keep typing all the features. Right. Okay. So I have something called as auto replies. Okay. Right. I put a slash and say FEA. Right. And click send. All the features of the product which I have already.
This one you can slash and put here.
Yes. Yeah. Just like how you can go into the auto reply, sir.
Right. No, this was this.
Okay. You can go down to that plus sign at the bottom of the screen.
Right. Yeah.
Click and put the message there. Okay. On the message, you can write all the details, whatever features of my product. Right. And in the shortcut space, put a slash and write features. Okay. Or you want to ask, can you give me your complete detailed address and postal address for sending you the Vastu book. Okay. Right. Then just put a slash and say address. Right. If Somani ji or Subodh wants to ask for what is the specs of the things, okay, or they want to talk about specs, the entire specs can be written in the message space. In the shortcut, write a slash and write specs and save it. So whenever we are replying to the customer in the business WhatsApp chat, we can put a slash and write specs, and right. Immediately the entire specs of that particular product will come up.
Yeah, like a Dell laptop or a desktop or a configuration of particular laptop model.
Configuration of a particular thing, all that you can write in the message space.
Yeah.
Okay. In the shortcut, write Dell spec. Okay. So you did not write the full Dell specs. You can just write slash Dell spec, and the Dell laptop specs will come up there. This is a fantastic thing, because if there are repeated patterns that we use with every customer. Okay, sir, where are you coming from? Okay, or what is the kind of problem you have? Or this is a specifications of my solution, or this is the product features, or this is the current offer. Everything, so right, the current offer is this. And in the slash, you write slash offer. So whenever a customer asks what is the current offers that you have, then you can say slash offer, and the offer message with the full details will go to the customer.
Yeah, Srikanth, yeah, before I think you joined, we discussed, but not in detail. We discussed the same thing before you joined.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because I put for the immediate quick reply messages.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I give example with mine actually.
No, I think that I was there.
Yeah, I'll
but-
get back evening. See, I'll get back by evening, for example.
Yeah.
Always my replies goes to evening. I put a 3. When I get a message, I'll put a 3 and send. Directly they will get, I'll get back evening. Okay. Thank you. Then after this, I want to tell you one thing. If you understand labels, if not, let me know. I can explain more about labels for the reminders. Molds like a segregation of your customers. For asking, for follow-up. Labels can be used for the segregation of your clients. And follow-up things is very important for the labels.
One more thing, sir.
Please.
Can we have 2 different business accounts on the same mobile?
No. Only one. You need to change the device.
I mean, two separate businesses I have, because it is going by numbers, right?
Right.
I can have 3 numbers, one for my personal and other 2 for other 2 businesses.
Same mobile, you cannot use the 2 business accounts. You can use 2 accounts, normal WhatsApp and business WhatsApp. So I want to take one message. I want to show something. Sumant sent one message this morning. Have some features. So what happened? I want to repeat. I'll go to and I'll put a star. Very important. Please remember the stars messages, why they are important. I'll explain. If you want to send them again, or you want to see later, I send a nice book, 54 pages numerology book. You cannot find in the market, you cannot find in the Google. The way information I put free, I share to everyone. You don't have time, 54 pages. Just click that and start. Then whenever you are comfortable, go click here, open the star messages. You will get all the starred messages, nothing you can see here. Whenever you find time, go and open that messages.
Oh, this is a brilliant feature, sir.
Then
it is showing from all groups, all chats.
All charts, all groups, personal messages group and broadcast, whatever you do the message. For example, I sent a courier to the different countries. Whenever I sent, always they ask my Aadhaar card. Always where I can get Aadhaar card, go on search. My Aadhaar card is there. I'll click here and I forward directly. That goes to Farid asks always Aadhaar card. Just I'll forward here and that go to him. I need not search. Another thing, many of my clients ask you your bank account. They'll ask my bank account details. Then what happened? My family bank, total family bank account details are here. Whenever I need, to whom what I give, just forward this message that goes to the bank account details. I need not copy, paste, retype again. See, BNI roster sheet is there. A roster sheet sent on 1 week, 10 days before. I need not go and search a total group again for the roster sheet. I put a star. One more thing, when you delete messages from the chart, there is option. It will not delete star messages. Please, it will not delete star message until you put a delete.
Right. Sir, where to see star messages, sir? Where to click on the star message option?
Oh, just again. You can 3 dots.
Okay.
See, you know the group design making, yes. You know the broadcasting, you know the label, you know the WhatsApp web, star messages.
Okay, sir.
The star message is particularly business people is another important, because you keep on getting the messages, save that message whenever you want, get time, you can go and use the star messages. Okay. Now, you know the new group creating, you know the broadcasting creating, you know the label creating, you know the WhatsApp on web, you know, then you know the star message, you know the settings. I hope I explained everything. If really anything is there, let me know. I can take for more time comfortably. If you are having any question. Yes, this time is yours. Somebody is asking how you can put my mobile screen and laptop, right? There is an option called your phone in the laptop. It comes from the options. Your phone. I put up my phone number, and it takes from the Bluetooth. It's from the Bluetooth. mobile Bluetooth sync with the laptop Bluetooth. Total my phone can see here. I can see here notification. I can send a messages, text messages. I can type text messages. I want a big text message. I can type here my text message. Whatever I receive the since all messages I can see in my laptop. I
This
can
is
see,
in this I have to enable in the laptop, right?
yes. See, this is the photographs camera. Then go to the groups. Then lot of whatever you want you can see here. And phone screen and calls. Whatever you can call from the laptop. This is a different.
Guruji, let us show this. Let us show this. How to do this?
No, this is a call. Since morning, whatever I get a calls, all phone calls and laptop.
How to sync? How to sync with using Bluetooth?
This I I need to go back again. But let it finish this first. Okay. First, you can tell me if you have any doubts about WhatsApp. If you need any clarification, I try to help you. So you can see my screen like I'm not using my mobile, my laptop only. I'm putting my finger on the laptop, opening the. I can use mouse or touch screen on my laptop. Not mobile need not be with you. It may be some 10 meters away. Okay. Only WhatsApp. Just you want a question, ask on WhatsApp. Then I can talk about later.
One doubt. As you have 67 groups for broadcasting,
right,
and you have one label.
Right.
So when you are sending one message to everyone, when you are broadcasting one message to everyone, you broadcast to all the 67 using one label or?
No. Labels not for sending the messages, so segregating the things.
Okay. So
don't get confused. Labels are segregating the things.
Okay.
Basically subject wise.
Subject wise segregating.
Labels is like a folder.
Folder, exactly, like a folders. See, what I do for sending message, I select the message, I select the 5 broadcasting groups single time, 5 into 256 people receive the messages.
Okay, that was my second point. Got it.
That means you do it for 13 times.
I'm sorry? Yes, 13 times. 13 times goes to the 18,000 people.
That is what.
14 times. 13.
Whatever, 13, 14 times.
Or whatever maybe. One more thing for your very informative here, it will not deliver more than 15 broadcasting groups on single time. Takes 1 hour 10 minutes, then you can do it.
Oh.
Did you catch my point?
Yeah.
Once you send one time into 5 groups, one time into 5 groups, one time into 5 groups, within a minute you can send a 15 groups, right? After 15 groups, take a 1 hour time.
Okay.
Because you can go and click on message, you see delivered or not. It shows not delivered, not worked out. Instead of that, take 1 hour 10 minutes, 70 minutes time, you can send again 15 groups.
Good information, sir, but I don't think many of us have 18,000 people on our database. It's only possible to you. I think if we manage to do for 1,000 people or 2,000 people, that's I think more than enough for us.
Okay.
And one more thing I wanted to share.
2,000 is too much of asking, man. What?
One more thing is that now this Telegram is also catching on very fast in terms of business growth.
But right, Telegram is other problem as there. Like lot of strangers are joining in the group. You cannot control. Telegram, a lot of Arabian people and Arabian countries and Pakistan, Afghanistan people are entering into the Telegram because what happened? There is after 1,000, 2,000 in the group, you don't know who is joining in the group. You cannot control.
Because they said that Telegram is made in India, so Pakistanis, Afghanistan come to India just like that.
Telegram not in India. It is not in India. German. It is a German.
But
no, sir. All these people said WhatsApp, ban WhatsApp, Telegram, India. Modi said so. Pakistan is not.
All nonsense. All nonsense. All nonsense. All nonsense. Telegram, German-based company. But see, Telegram is not our word. It is a European word. They say that, see, Telegram has a negative approaching to the penetrating into the public. That is a Telegram created negative approach. Telegram India, WhatsApp is abroad, but people will not use Telegram like WhatsApp. I have the very nicely Telegram is there. Telegram, I have some thousands of people. In one group, 20,000, 25,000. Unbelievable. But I won't use the Telegram. This is my Telegram. You cannot just like that. How many groups? One group has a 25,000 people. This is a 2,000. Lot of groups are there, but I don't use. 4,000. But this is the sake of keeping the Telegram. Okay. If anything is there,
Sir,
good.
now this business WhatsApp, do you have to pay any money, sir,
Zero.
or is it going to be
Nothing,
premium?
nothing. No, not necessary to pay. Because they are making money from Facebook.
Sir?
They are making money from the Facebook. They are making money from Facebook. They are not charging on WhatsApp.
And also not to anyone those who ask you money on business WhatsApp group, okay?
I'm sorry?
जल्दी होकर उनके अकाउंट में पैसा नहीं डाल देना.
तो सुमन साहब पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है WhatsApp पे.
No, WhatsApp payment is coming, but it is not activated. Once WhatsApp payment coming, like it works like a Google Pay. There you can options are there. Send a reminder to your clients. Once you enter the amount, date, that particular date that goes to your client, ask that, send the message you need to pay. That is coming. It is there.
People from WhatsApp, they call you and update you every day, sir, or what is happening, or how do you know about it?
I don't know. Just I browse. No. I just once I'm using any mobile app or anything, I'll go through their website and check the things what is happening.
सर पूरा पोस्टमार्टम कर देते जिसके भी पीछे पड़े तो.
नहीं मेरे को एक्चुअली डाउट क्या रहा मालूम, does sir have 36 hours and we are having 20?
Yes. नहीं मालूम था आपको अभी तक.
And those 36 hours can be stretched also as per need.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
I'll put another round. He makes sure what he's doing. If he spends 1 minute, it's 1 minute exactly for that. But we, out of that 1 minute, we spend 30 seconds for something else. That's the difference. Correct me, sir, if I'm wrong.
Thank you so much. That's right. Because if you want to do perfect, otherwise don't do anything.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, Garu.
Thank you, Guru Garu. Thanks a lot.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Awesome knowledge sharing, sir.
This whole
Thank
class
you.
on YouTube, no?
I'm going to share the link after 1 hour. Not in the business
No,
group.
on the YouTube it's going to be
broadcasting.
there.
Only broadcasting.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir. It made our day.
Thank you,
Guru
sir.
Garu.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Right. All the best. And try to read something if you like for the day. Is a good day. Today is a Grahanam. Whatever you like, you can read. Okay?
Done.
That equal to
Thank you,
1,000
sir.
times you read.
1,000 times.
Thank you, sir. We'll do that.
Bye.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.